You know, I think it's time for all of us to be getting home.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
probably.
true. Well, I'm so glad we were able to play together today. Here, I'll walk you out of the door. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh,
Barney.
my. Oh, goodness. Oh, boy.
Careful.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm fine, but my tail hurts a little bit. Oh. Can you help me, Dr. Derek?
Barney, your tail looks sore, but all I've got is this little bandage. It's too small.
Oh, that's okay, Derek. My tail only hurts when I shake it, see? Oh.
Barney, stop.
I guess this happened because we all forgot an important safety rule. We forgot that it's important to clean up after we're done playing.
That's right.